The Alaska Wind for Schools program is making a difference across Alaska. Alaska has an enviable wind regime that can be tapped to provide power to many regions of the state, including remote villages, which are currently dependent on expensive diesel power generation. To harness this resource and the imaginations of youth around the state, ACEP started the Alaska Wind for Schools program in 2010. One of only 11 states selected to participate in this national program, ACEP, along with our partners at Renewable Energy Alaska Project, REAP, brings science and math concepts to life using the real-world mechanics of a wind turbine that produces power for the school. The Department of Energy Wind for Schools program links students and faculty at universities with youth to provide an entire pipeline of STEM education and job readiness opportunities using hands-on activities and nationally recognized curriculum. The program encourages K-12 schools to erect a wind turbine at their school. They use the expertise of the university and their students to work through the process of planning, permitting, site selection, feasibility studies, turbine installation, and operations and maintenance. Youth learn a variety of math and science concepts through hands-on applied learning, such as data collection and analysis, turbine design, and optimization. In its second year, ACEP has installed 6 turbines throughout Alaska, working with state and local partners and donors from the industry and state agencies. Participating schools range from elementary through high school and span the entire state, from Sitka to Nome. The Kid Wind Challenge. For Wind for Schools teachers who want something extra, or for other teachers wanting a less involved option, the Alaska Wind for Schools program runs an annual Kid Wind Challenge each spring. This high-energy competition encourages youth from around the state to compete against each other to produce the most effective wind turbine.
And Chris Bowman soldered the generator. Yeah. That was the one that was given to us, and the gears, 8-to-1 gear ratio. Yep. Yes. And then Nate Malone also used a Sharpie to rig up the drive system, and he's the main contributor.
Students design and produce turbine blades, gears, and the foundations using engineering concepts. They compete with themselves and other students around the state to see whose turbine can produce the most power.
On the last one we did, we decreased the pitch and it got 15.
And it got 15. You happy with that?
Yes, I am.
Right on. Very happy.
I'm happy.
Right on.
Judges are deployed around the state with wind tunnels to measure the energy output as well as judge the students' creativity, methods, and complexity. The challenges of making this work in Alaska's unique landscape with remote isolated villages, harsh climates, and the highest energy use per capita and highest energy costs highlight the program's value and importance to STEM education in the state. Challenges also make for interesting stories, as judges travel thousands of miles, crisscrossing this immense state in ever-changing conditions to bring this unique program to Alaska's youth.
Out of our class, we got second so far.
The design, we chose this because it seemed to make it go a lot faster. Then we kind of carved in the dowels in the back so it increased the speed even more.
The enthusiasm is infectious, and the learning is obvious. The Alaska Wind for Schools programs hopes to secure stable funding streams to continue to expand this amazing program.